Something crazy is happening in the smartphone world right now. Samsung is rewriting the rulebook on how fast Android updates can roll out. Just weeks after Android 16 officially launched, Samsung's already way ahead of every other brand, pushing out its One UI 8 update to more phones, tablets, and regions than anyone expected. It's so quick that users are literally waking up to the update notification without even realizing their turn had come. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Don't forget to hit like, share this video with your fellow Galaxy fans, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates like this one. Now, let's talk about why Samsung's latest move has everyone in the tech world buzzing. The One UI 8 rollout started with the Galaxy S24 series earlier this month, but that was just the beginning. Within days, the Galaxy S23 lineup joined the party, including the S23, S23 Plus, S23 Ultra, and the fan-favorite S23 FE. These phones, which launched back in 2023, have now received their third major Android upgrade. That's a massive win for long-term users and a reminder of how seriously Samsung takes its update promise. But here's where it gets even more impressive. Samsung isn't just pampering its flagships. The mid-range models are catching up fast. The Galaxy A55 and A35 are already getting Android 16 with One UI 8 in several European countries. And in Korea, the Galaxy Quantum 5, basically a local version of the A55, has joined the rollout too, signaling that the global expansion is in full swing. Samsung's update speed this year is so fast that even Google's own Pixel phones are starting to look slow in comparison. And it doesn't stop there. Tablets are joining the list at the same pace. The Galaxy Tab S10 and S10 Plus have begun receiving the update, and reports suggest that the massive Tab S10 Ultra isn't far behind. With these additions, Samsung is covering nearly every category: flagships, mid-rangers, and premium tablets, all updated within the same few weeks. At this point, the question isn't who's next, but who's left. And if you own a Galaxy phone from the last 3 years, odds are your turn is right around the corner. The Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, and even last year's Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 are next in line. The S22 family, the A26, and even entry-level models like the A15 5G are all expected to get the update before the year ends. It's wild how Samsung's basically updating the entire Galaxy ecosystem almost simultaneously. But the speed of the rollout is only part of the story. The real magic is in what One UI 8 actually brings to your device. Let's dive into the most exciting features that make this update worth waiting for. Samsung is taking Galaxy AI to the next level. You can now see live captions during phone calls, real-time subtitles for everything said on the call. Whether you're in a noisy cafe or just want to avoid saying, "Sorry, can you repeat that?" this feature changes the game. Portrait Studio now works with pets, turning your cat or dog into artistic portraits with styles like oil painting or fisheye. And there's a new audio eraser tool that scrubs out wind and background noise from videos or recordings, perfect for creators and vloggers. Then there's Now Brief, a smart new addition that summarizes your day with useful info pulled from widgets, messages, and routines. Think of it as your personal info hub, always available from the Edge panel or the new Now bar. Personalization has gone next level too. You get new lock screen clocks that blend perfectly with your wallpaper. No more faces or pets blocked by widgets. Wallpapers now adapt dynamically, suggesting gradient effects or themed visuals based on your gallery photos. Even small details like icon shadows and animations have been polished to make the interface feel smoother and more alive. Samsung didn't forget productivity either. Quick Share has been redesigned. Now you can send files instantly from quick settings without even opening an app. Samsung Notes lets you add floating sticky notes directly over PDFs or documents, making annotations easier. The My Files app lets you filter downloads by source app, and Samsung Internet's menu has been simplified for quicker navigation. And for power users, DeX is now more desktop-like than ever. You can place widgets on your external display, run at a WQHD resolution, and even rotate the screen freely. Plus, multitasking has become smoother. You can pin one app to the edge while working in another, switching back instantly. Samsung Health is turning into a full wellness companion. It now includes a personal running coach, sleep guidance, antioxidant tracking, and even new vascular load measurements that show how much stress your blood vessels are under. Whether you're trying to sleep better, train smarter, or stay healthy, One UI 8 brings smarter insights right to your wrist when paired with the Galaxy Watch 8 or Watch Ultra. Creators also have plenty to celebrate. The camera app now supports log video recording straight from the main mode. zebra stripes for exposure, and false color views for professional shooting. You can even customize gestures, like swiping anywhere on the preview to adjust quick controls. Security and privacy are tighter than ever. Secure Folder can now automatically close background apps and completely hide itself if you choose. Knox Matrix keeps your connected devices safe, automatically logging out suspicious ones. And notification privacy controls are simpler and easier to manage. All of this makes One UI 8 one of Samsung's most balanced and complete updates ever, blending speed, intelligence, and personalization in a way that feels both familiar and futuristic. The update isn't just about visual polish or new icons, it's about giving every Galaxy user, whether they're on an Ultra, a Flip, or a budget A series, a genuinely smarter phone experience. So if you haven't seen that update notification yet, trust me, it's on its way. Samsung's pushing One UI 8 faster than any previous version, proving once again that it's not just selling you a phone, it's making sure it keeps getting better long after you've bought it. Stay tuned, because in my next video, I'll be diving into the hidden features that Samsung didn't even mention in the changelog. You'll want to see that. Until then, keep your Galaxy charged, your Wi-Fi on, and your excitement high, because Android 16 with One UI 8 is transforming Samsung phones everywhere.